All right, welcome to another video in the college algebra series. Today we're going to be talking about what's known as a piecewise function and how to evaluate piecewise functions at a given value, right? Now, what a piecewise function is basically a set of two equations given some constraints, and the constraints help you know which equation to use, right? Depending on what value you're trying to evaluate at. And so what we have here is a piecewise function. So we have the equation 2x plus 3 if x is greater than or equal to 2. And then we have the equation x minus 4 if x is less than 2, right? So if we are given a value to evaluate and say, let's say it's 4, right? Well, 4 is greater than 2, so I would use this top equation. And so how I'd use that top equation, I'd plug the number 4 into this equation and solve. So evaluate f of 4. So like I said, f4 is bigger than 2, so because of that, I'm going to use this top equation, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to say 2 times 4 plus 3. Well, 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11, and that would be your answer. Okay, now if f of negative 8, well, negative 8, let me erase that. Negative 8 is less than 2, right? It's way smaller. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it into this equation. So you have so f of negative 8 equals negative 8 minus 4. So negative 8 minus 4, doing a little bit of math, you get negative 12. And that would be your answer. So piecewise functions are really pretty easy. You might have, this is a pretty basic one, you might have multiple equations, like 3 or more, and you just kind of have to see where your value that you're trying to evaluate lies, and that tells you which of these equations to use. If you have any questions about this or about anything else, you can either post it in the comments below or you can email me in the description. Thanks.